Welcome to Sohail's Paramedical and Nursing Academy. In the previous lecture, I was explaining about the range of motion exercise. So I was explaining about the range of motion exercise. Today, I am going to explain the practical demonstration on hand washing, both medical hand washing as well as surgical hand washing. So one is surgical hand washing, another is medical hand washing. So in this lecture, first of all, before I am going to demonstrate practically medical and surgical hand washing, I am going to tell before what is surgical and medical hand washing. So before I am going to show the demonstration, first I will say what is asepsis. What is asepsis? Asepsis is technique to keep the environment, to keep the surface away from microorganisms, to reduce the spread of microorganisms, to reduce the microorganisms on the surface is called as asepsis. So asepsis is maintaining the cleanness of it. We cannot see the sterility of the environment. Asepsis may be sterility, may not be sterility. So in sterility is a different concept. So there are two types of asepsis. One is called as medical asepsis, another is called as surgical asepsis. In case of medical asepsis and in case of surgical asepsis, both are different. Surgical asepsis, what is surgical asepsis? In case of surgical asepsis is a technique in which the microorganisms as well as their spores are being removed from the surface or any environment. This is called as surgical asepsis. But in case of medical asepsis, the medical asepsis is the technique in which we reduce the number of microorganisms as well as their division on any surface. So we are reducing, but in case of medical asepsis, we are not removing the spores of the microorganisms. So spores, this is an important concept. One is reducing the spread of microorganisms by removing the microorganisms from the surface, but still there will be microorganisms present on that surface. This is called as medical asepsis. When microorganisms are being removed from the surface, even though bacteria are producing spores, even though when spores are also being removed from the surface, the technique will be called as asepsis. This is called as sterility. And this technique will be called as surgical asepsis. In surgical asepsis, what we are doing? In case of surgical asepsis, we are doing surgical hand washing. One is surgical hand washing, another is handling of sterile equipment. Handling of sterile equipment is also a surgical asepsis. Surgical hand washing is also a surgical asepsis. Gloving when entering into operation theater or when entering into operation environment, when entering into the OT, we are also using one glove. So gloving is a surgical asepsis. Gowning is another technique. Gowning is also surgical asepsis. But in case of medical asepsis, and if you remember one thing, in case of OT, we are keeping the environment we are keeping the surface free from microorganisms. In case of OT also, in case of operation theater, that is also the surgical asepsis. But in case of medical asepsis, we are removing the microorganisms. From the surface, but not perfectly. The spores are yet present on the surface. Some microorganisms are yet present on the surface. This is called as medical asepsis. See, in case of medical asepsis, what we are doing? In case of medical asepsis, we are doing medical hand washing. Then what we are doing? We are doing hand gloving. We are doing gloving is also that will come in the medical. In the next lecture, I will explain how to glove. So gloving also comes in the medical asepsis. Even though using of disinfectants on the surface to remove the microorganisms is also a medical asepsis. is also a medical asepsis. And when we require medical asepsis, when we require surgical asepsis. Suppose when we are going to do the surgical procedures, when we are going to do the surgical procedures or invasive procedures, at that time we call this as surgical asepsis. In surgical, what are the invasive or surgical procedures? One is when surgery, we are doing the surgery, this is called as surgical asepsis. Second is whenever we are doing the invasive procedure, suppose catheterization. So before catheterization, we are going for surgical hand washing. Before catheterization, we are going for surgical hand washing. This is also a surgical asepsis. We are going for gowning. We are using gown. That is also surgical asepsis. And we are going for gloving. That is also a surgical asepsis. So we are maintaining the sterility. We are preventing the spread of microorganisms from one surface to another surface, from one patient to another patient, from patient to environment, from environment to patient, from patient to other people, from patient to attenders, from patient to doctors, from doctors to patient, from nurses to patient, from doctors to nurses. So this all is a chain. So we are breaking the chain by means of medical and surgical asepsis. In case of medical asepsis, we are doing which procedures comes in the medical asepsis. Suppose one is, in case of medical asepsis, the procedures comes medical hand washing. The main procedure, medical hand washing. Every time we should do hand washing. That is called medical hand washing. So these are the procedures that we are doing in the surgical and medical hand washing. Now I am going to practically show what is medical hand washing and what is surgical hand washing. So I told you medical procedures what we are going to do. Suppose when we in medical asepsis, before we are going for tube feeding. When patient is going, when we are giving tube feeding to the patient, before going to give tube feeding to the patient, we are doing medical hand washing. So that is also medical asepsis. Before we are going to give medication to the patient, we are going for medical asepsis. That means we are going for medical hand washing. That is also medical asepsis. So today I will show the different steps in medical and surgical asepsis. See, the first step in medical and first I will explain medical hand washing, then I will explain surgical hand washing. In medical hand washing, before we are going to start the procedure, we have to expose the parts to which we have to use water. Which part we have to wash, that part we have to expose. Suppose this is I am saying first this is medical hand washing. Next I will take surgical hand washing. In medical hand washing, there are 7 steps. There are 7 steps in the medical hand washing. How many steps? 7 steps are there in the medical hand washing. And in case of surgical asepsis, there will be surgical hand washing. There will be 8 steps. What are the 7 steps? First, this is the hand. What is the before going for the medical hand washing, we have to keep the hand like this way. In case of surgical asepsis, we will keep hand like this way. Because in case of medical asepsis, we are keeping the hand this way because this hand is considered to be less infectious than this part. See, in case of medical hand washing, I am keeping the hand this way. So hand elbow is on the above level, hands are on the below level. Hands are below level. So this shows that elbow is an less contaminated than hands in medical hand washing. So hands are what? Hands are more contaminated than elbow. First one. So we are going to keep the hand like this way. So first we will pour the water. I will pour the water first. So see, first I am going to pour the water on the hands. Pour the water. How much? Up to this wrist. Up to wrist joint, we have to pour the water. First I have poured the water. After putting the water on the full surface, now what I will do? This is an antiseptic solution. This is an soap. Wait 1 second. It is not showing 1 second. See, this is then soap. So in the soap, what we are going to do, I will take 1 second, I will bring new one. See, this is a soap, I have put the soap on the hand. See, when I have used the soap on the hand, there are 7 steps for medical hand washing. The first step is, first we have to, this soap this soap, remember one thing, medical hand washing we are using for 3 to 5 minutes, mostly for up to 3 to 5 minutes. We are, the time for medical hand washing is 3 to 5 minutes. So first, this solution should reach all the parts of the hand till wrist. See, after wrist we have to distribute this soap. Then what we have to do, the first step is, see, this time now it will work. Now it will, the soap will work, the disinfectant will work now. See, this soap will work. What we have to do, the first step is, we have palm to palm friction. Palm to palm friction is compulsory. See, palm to palm friction is compulsory. First step, this is the first step. Second step is what? This is the first step, palm to palm. Second is palm to dorsum of another hand. Palm to the palm and dorsum of another hand. See, palm and dorsum of another hand. Palm and dorsum of another hand. This is the second step. Palm to hand, palm, dorsum, another. This is second step. The third step is interlacing. See, interlacing means the fingers of one hand we have to enter in this into the fingers of another hand by this way. This is called interlacing. By interlacing, we have to keep the friction so that the microorganism will remove from the surface. This is called as interlacing. Then we will show interlocking. Interlocking means fingers, they should move like this way. This is the interlocking. So see, this is the how many, this is the which step? First, second, third, fourth. This is the fourth step, interlacing. See, another step is the nails of one hand. We have to friction. We have to show the circular friction on the palm of another hand by using the nails of one hand. One second. Suppose I will put more water. One. Okay. Left side. Using the same fingers, do the same on the palm, so that the microorganisms present on the surface will be easily removed. From the surface. See, and destroyed. So this is the fourth step. Fifth step. This was fifth step. Now fifth. This was fifth. Now sixth step is what? Now fifth step was, this was the first, there was palm to palm, palm to dorsum. Second, interlacing. Third, interlocking. Fourth, nails to palm. Fifth step. Now sixth step is what? Sixth step is thumb rotation. Thumb rotation. See, this is thumb rotation. Sixth step is thumb rotation. Okay, thumb rotation. See, thumb rotation. Thumb rotation is the sixth step. So thumb also will become this one. And the last step is wrist rotation. See, the last step is wrist rotation. This is medical hand wash. Last step is, see, now we can use the, okay, now we will pour water. We have keep the hand this way. If we have any other person here, we can use that person for medical hand washing. But in case of surgical asepsis, the second person may be compulsory, may not be, depends upon the whether the solution you can put by elbow or not. So see, I will use the water. Now use the water for the surface. See, so only after wrist we have washed the hands. This is called as medical hand washing. This is called as medical asepsis. Now we can do any procedure. We can give medication to the patient. We can give tube feeding to the patient. Even though we can do any simple procedure that is not invasive in case of hospital duty. Okay. Now in the next part of this lecture, I will explain about surgical hand washing. Okay.